Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dance yeah, man. Yeah, mackerel.
I saw him again, mackerel. Security mackerel going. Mackerel have security. I drew this. Going down way some walkie-talkie on side. The whole pussy them mackerel tight.
Mackerel grab security guards to protect herself. You see, well, that's the hottest thing I talk about on social media right now to mackerel, pertaining to mackerel. You see what I say? Now, there's a lot of assumption going around, you know, some of them not confirm. Them say that she get threats. You see what I say to you both from phone call and on social media. You get what I say to you? So, we're not sure true it big, but you see, this girl is smarter than what enough people think. You see me, because this girl, ever since she hit the spotlight of the world, take a girl man thing, and you know, she has been momentum. You know, we don't even sure if that this whole security guard thing is a publicity stunt, because she's smarter than enough of them. You know, she knows that certain things gravitate with the social media, and she do it. You see me? So we're not sure what really are going on, so but I could see it. See me I say? Because I don't know social media, you know. People then love the lavish. Anyways, just let me know what you think. You see me I say to you, don't know say Dancehall Skilla, keep on posted. You see the thing set already. Alright? If you want to stay up to date, just click the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel. My name is Skilla, and this way just see at the Dancehall Skilla ENT. You know big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.